Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is Lesson 50 practice set. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so Lesson 50, we're going to be using two unit multipliers. So if you remember, I've been writing given times unit multiplier is equal to the answer. And you guys have all been like, what? Mrs. Ross is so easy. I don't need that. I don't need that. Well, now we do. Because now it's given times unit multiplier equals the answer. And before we're done, there's going to be more unit multipliers than that. So to go from 1 yard to 36 inches, let's see. So 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, and 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. And they're asking for pairs of equivalent measures. This is a pair of equivalent measures, and this is a pair of equivalent measures. Okay, so it doesn't look like I'm actually solving anything yet. So we're going to hold please on this right here. So to go from centimeters to meters, let's see. So I know that, why do they want two unit multipliers for that? It's 100 centimeters and 1 meter. That's it. This is it. This is the thing. I don't understand what they want me to do with that. And then 16 ounces to 1 pound. I guess you could do like 8 ounces in, nope, that's not going to work. It's 16 ounces in 1 pound. Still not sure exactly what they want you to do, but that's it. Okay, so now we're going to start getting into that given times unit multiplier. So it says convert 10 yards to inches. So given times unit multiplier equals answer. So I'm given 10 yards. I need to plug in some unit multipliers. I'm not sure yet. And then my answer needs to be in inches. Okay, so inches needs to be on the top. So I've got to get rid of yards, so I need yards on the bottom. So 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. And I have to get rid of feet because I want inches. So 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So that should cancel yards over yards, feet over feet. I end up with inches. So I have 10 times 3 times 12, which is 360. Okay. All right, let me change colors here. And I'm going to have to come down here. 24 feet, so given times unit multiplier is how many yards? Oh, okay, so you just need 1 unit multiplier for this one. So 24 feet. I'm going to figure my unit multiplier here out in just a second. My answer needs to be in yards. So I need yards on the top. It says 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. I want yards on the top because that's what I want at the end. Feet over feet is 1. So I have 24 times 1 over 3, which is 24 divided by 3, which is 8 yards. Okay, I'm going to change colors and see if I can't do one more. Which is greater, 20 inches or 50 centimeters? And we know that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this to centimeters and then compare it. So if I have 20 inches, I'm going to multiply by my unit multiplier. So this is given times unit multiplier is equal to answer. I want my answer to be in centimeters. So I'm going to take this. 2.54 centimeters goes on the top. That's what I want. 1 inch. Inches cancel, and I get 20 times 2.54, which is a number I'm going to put in my calculator. 20 times 2.54 is 5.50. Oh, why did it go to the next one? Why? There we go. Cool. 50.8 centimeters. So if this is 50.8, and that's 50, then that's larger. Okay. All right, use unit multipliers to convert the rates in G and H. So in G, I have 20 miles per gallon. That's my given. Okay, to miles per quart. So I need something. Miles isn't gonna change, but gallons is gonna change to quarts. So I want miles per quart. So let's see. I need gallon to go away, so I'm going to put my gallon up here. 4 quarts here, gallon over gallon. So then I have miles per quart. I have 20 over 4. 20 divided by 4 gives me 5 miles per quart. Okay, let me change colors here. When sleeping, Diana's heart beats 60 times per minute. Convert 60 beats per minute to beats per hour. I think we did one like this in the last. That doesn't matter. So H. So we have 60 beats per minute. And we want to know how many beats that is per hour. So I know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. And this is going to give me minutes over minutes cancels. This is going to give me beats per hour, which is what I want right here. So I have 60 times 60, which is 3,600 beats per hour. Oh, good grief. Oh, gosh. Okay. And that's all for practice set. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Thank you.